Hello, good morning, students. Today's topic is Architecture Reference Model. In our third unit, topic number is 3.1. In the in the part 1, we will discuss Introduction to IoT Architecture Reference Model. Okay, what is Architecture Reference Model? That we should learn. An IoT Architecture Reference Model is a standard framework that explains how all IoT components work together like a team to build a complete IoT system. What is the use, sir? For example, if engineer prepare a blueprint for to construct a house that can be used before constructing a smart home system. Using that blueprint, we can construct hundreds of houses in 1 year. We can complete it. In the similar manner, the purpose of reference model is it provides common design that helps developers build reliable, scalable, and secure IoT applications. For that purpose, we have to develop reference model. Example, different companies can build compatible smart devices by following the same architecture for everybody easy. Even every public, that means users can enjoy without any problems. What are the main layers present in the architecture of the reference model? That is also important. Generally, it consists of device layer, communication layer, service layer, application layer. These four layers are main layers of reference model. We will learn one by one. For example, here temperature sensor will sense the room temperature, then it will send to the cloud via Wi-Fi. From cloud again it will come back to the mobile apps. In that way, our architecture reference model will work. Next, how data will flow in the architecture. That also we will learn. Okay. We know sensors will collect data from there. Communication networks transfer that data. It cloud platforms process that data, and applications will display the results to the on the mobile users. That we know very well. Example, we can easily understand. A smart parking sensor detects any empty parking space in any floor and updates the mobile application, then easily car driver directly can go and park it without time wasting. That is the benefit of architecture. Importance of the reference model. A reference model makes a IoT systems easy to design, easy to maintain, easy to upgrade, and easy to expand. For example, a smart city can easily add new sensors without redesigning of the complete system because already used, built things can be implemented here. That's why time will be saved. Next, in the part 2, we will learn working and applications of architecture reference model in this topic. Working and applications of architecture reference model, we will learn. Number 1, device layer of architecture reference model. What it will function, what it functions. This device layer contains sensors, actuators, microcontrollers, and embedded systems that will interact with the physical world. Physical world means IoT components only. That means our sensors, camera, blink devices like that. Example, DHT11 model number 1 temperature sensor is connected to an ESP32 controller. From there, we can get it the information, room temperature information to our mobile. Next parameter, communication layer of architecture reference model function, we will see. This layer transfers data between IoT devices and the cloud using communication technologies. What are those communication technologies, sir? Please tell. Then only we can improve vocabulary and terminology easily. We can pass this subject. Almost same vocabulary terminology we are using, sir. Easy to understand IoT subject. Examples of communication technologies here: Wi-Fi device, Bluetooth device, Zigbee device, like that. Next, processing layer of architecture reference model is there, sir. What is that? The cloud stores the information and also it will process the incoming data and it will analyze the incoming data and it will manage the collected data to send to the mobile users. That is the specialty of processing layer of architecture reference model. Okay. Next, application layer of architecture reference model also. Please explain, sir. My dear students, users monitor and control IoT devices using mobile apps, using websites, and also using dashboards that we know very well. Example, a mobile app displays room temperature on the mobile display. Remotely, we can switch on the air conditioner. That is the specialty of application layer of architecture reference model. Yeah, sir. Krishnarao sir, can you explain simple analogy for architecture reference model? Why not? It is, yes, I can compare with like human body parts. What are those, sir? Sensors can be compared with eyes and ears. What they will do? They collect information. Second, sir, cloud. Cloud గురించి చెప్పండి. Cloud can be compared with the brain. What what it will do? It process the information. Sir, what about network? Network is compared with the nervous system. What for? To carry the messages. Sir, we explain about actuators also. Actuators are compared with hands and legs. What for? According to the brain inputs to perform actions and overactions. Next, mobile app గురించి చెప్పండి సార్. Yes, it can be compared with a person making decisions that are the IoT architecture reference models are compared with human body parts. Last, you can tell with example. Eyes see the darkness whenever whenever there is no current. What will happen? Brain will process that darkness data information and brain will give to the actuators like hands to switch on the light if there is a power. Similarly, a light sensor detects darkness and ESP32 controller will process the data. Then it will send to the command signal to the relay. Relay will turn on the light automatically. All these things with the help of IoT architecture reference models only. So we have to build with rules and regulations, my dear students. Bye.